Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another non-phone or mostly non-phone work from home job lead. I know a lot of us do not want to be doing the typical customer service on the phone, so that is what we have today. We will not waste any time. The company Shopventory is hiring a customer care representative. Now, this is remote within the United States. But Shopventory helps businesses thrive by offering analytics and optimization tools to help businesses make informed decisions. So it is a business-to-business product and software solution. So as a customer care representative, you'll be helping the customers, which are other business owners, navigate their system via email, live chat, and the occasional phone call. So this is mostly non-phone. You will occasionally have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call if you cannot get through and help them using email and live chat. Sometimes it just takes talking through an issue, but this is mostly non-phone through email and live chat. As you work and help customers and gain a better understanding of Shopventory, you'll be encouraged to grow and help make contributions to the company to help them grow as well. Now, it does look like they hire within the United States remote, but they are looking for someone who can specifically work 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time with an hour lunch break. So if you're outside of the Mountain Standard Time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to those hours to make sure that that will work for you. But if it will, they're looking for someone who is passionate about helping customers, someone who is a tech savvy, someone who's not afraid to hop on the phone or make a short video and email that to the customer if that is what will really help them. You have to have great communication skills, be a problem solver, and be able to manage your time wisely. Now, you are required to have your own reliable Wi-Fi and have at least 1 year of customer service experience. But as far as benefits go, they provide you with a company-provided computer and accessories, so you don't have to have a home office setup. They'll provide all that for you. You just have to have the internet. They do offer a standard benefit package, including medical, dental, 401k, paid time off. And speaking of pay, they pay anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. Of course, that is depending on experience. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.